Assalamu Alaikum. In this video, we are going to see how we can export Claude chats. So you may have seen this problem with our session limit, that you have hit 90% of your session limit, and you may be doing something like, give me all the data of this session. But now that message actually eats up some tokens. So in order to avoid those tokens to be using, we can use a Chrome extension. So I have used multiple Chrome extensions, and this one seems better for me. What it does actually, let's see. Let's add to Chrome. I will put the link in the description. So add to Chrome, and I will click the icon, right button to pin it, or maybe go to extension and pin it from here. And what I have to do, just for the first time, you add the extension and just refresh the page. Now you see, you'll see some icons here. There are multiple icons here. One that are on top, another one that are on individual chats. So by these, what we can do here with this thing, that this is showing that this the extension is enabled, and there are a couple of options they are offering. So the first one is you can export on Google Docs, you can export to Word file, and export to PDF, and export to Notion. But for Notion, you'll have to log into a Notion web or Notion app. So my go-to option is export to PDF, which is very easy and doesn't need any kind of authorization. Based on your size of the conversation, it will take some time, and then the PDF will auto-generate and prompt to be downloaded. So if you just go to another Claude chat, or maybe go to ChatGPT or another AI, just drag and drop the PDF, and you'll be good to go from your last session. Thank you.